friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to look and solve Leetcode problem 3005 count elements with maximum frequency, another interesting array related coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription helps and supports this channel a lot. On this channel we create videos to help others in their Java and coding interview preparation. More than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems are available for you on this channel. That includes all important coding questions varieties such as graphs, trees, binary search trees, problems with different data structures, that using stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, dynamic programming problems, problems related to recursion, DFS, BFS, and a lot of different problems. So don't forget to check out the playlist after you watch this video. So let's start with the problem description first. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return total frequency of elements in nums such that those elements have the maximum frequency. The frequency of an element is the number of occurrences of that element in the array, right? So let's take a look at the constraint. So the constraint says that the nums dot length is between 1 to 100. So maximum 100 numbers will be given to us, and the number itself will be also in the range of 1 to 100 inclusive. So maximum from 1 to 100 basically inclusive, right? So let's take a look at some examples. So what they are saying is, if you look at this array that they have given us, right? So the 2 occurs 2 times and 1 also occurs 2 times. So that is the maximum frequency. 3 and 4 occurs only 1 time. So maximum frequency of any number here is 2, correct? Because 2 for 2 also frequency is 2 and for 1 also frequency is 2. So what they are asking us to do is return total frequencies of elements with maximum frequency. So 2 plus 2 is 4. We have to return basically, correct? Because that is what the total frequency is of the maximum frequency, right? Here is another bigger example I created for you so that you can understand this problem very well, right? So here you can see that so let's write down a number and its frequency, right? So let's write down quickly here number and its frequency in this array, right? Frequency. So number 1 has a frequency 3 here, right? You can see that it's appearing 3 times. Number 3 also has a frequency 3 there in the array, and number 2 also occurs 3 times. So 2 occurs 3 times there, right? And number 4 occurs 2 times. So 4's frequency is 2. So these are the numbers and their corresponding frequencies. So what they are asking us to find out is the maximum frequency in all these frequency. So maximum frequency is equal to 3, right? Maximum frequency is 3 in this, right? Okay, so what they want us to find out is total of this maximum frequency. So how many times this maximum frequency appears in this array? That's what we want to find out. So it appears here 1, 2 and 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So that's why 9 is the answer. So that is what we want to find out. So this part is clear to you. You understood this clearly with this example, right? So for that, what we have to do is we will create one frequency array, right? Frequency array we will create. What this frequency array will hold? It will hold numbers from 0 to 100, correct? Why only 0 to 100? Because that is the range that is given to us. So let me show you that quickly. So if you look at the constants, the numbers will be in the range of 1 to 100. So we'll just create from 0 to 100. So, and then what we will do, we will go from this array left to right and we will find out their frequencies, right, of each number in that array, correct? So for example, you will find out frequency of 0 is 0, frequency of 1 you will find out 3, frequency of 2 you will find out 3, and frequency of 3 also is 3, right? And frequency for 4 will be 2, correct? So when you are populating this frequency array, you will also keep track of the maximum frequency that you have seen, right? So maximum frequency you have seen is 3, correct? So now you know what is the maximum frequency in this array. Once you are done with the frequency array, once you went through this array once and you will get your frequency array populated, right? After that, what you will do is you will iterate through the frequency array and whenever you find out a maximum frequency, you will sum it up, right? You will do the sum for that because it's a maximum frequency, so that will give you total 9, right? So this is what we want to find out and return. So this is the logic we can use to solve this Leetcode problem, count elements with maximum frequency. So now you understood it clearly with this explanation. So let's do the same for the implementation now in Java. So here max frequency elements is the one that we are implementing the method, and nums array is as an input. This one will return an int, right? So we'll create one frequency array of 101 as I explained you, right? And we will create couple of variables to keep track of maximum frequency, and result is what we are going to return at the end, right? First we wanted to populate our frequency array, and then we also wanted to find out the maximum frequency, right? So we will loop through the given numbers, right, in this for loop, and we will keep calculating the frequency of that number, and we will also keep track of the maximum frequency of any number that we have seen during the process, right? In this case you will see 3 as the maximum frequency, correct? So that is one part. After you are done with this, now you have your frequency array ready. So you will iterate through the frequency array in the second for loop, and whenever you find out a frequency which is equal to your maximum frequency, correct? When your frequency is equal to your maximum frequency, you are going to sum it up, so you add it into your result, that frequency, right? So for example, in this case you will get these 3, this is maximum, you will add it, these 3 maximum, add it, 3 maximum, add it, right? So this way you will get that result, and you just have to return that result at the end, right? So this for loop is going to be constant because this is an array of constant size 101, and this array is can be also maximum 100 times, right? So you can just say order of 100 will be your time complexity, and space complexity again will be order of 101, correct? So this is how you can analyze this algorithm. So uh, I hope it's pretty clear and straightforward now to understand it. So we will make sure that it passes our test cases. So one of the test cases that I created here is this one, right? So this is a test case that I created here. You can create your own custom test cases. So this is my own custom test case. So expected output is 9, and we are getting 9, which is correct answer. We will now submit this code to the Leetcode and make sure this code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And the code is accepted. It is 99.48% faster, which is a pretty good solution to solve this problem. 3005 count elements with maximum frequency on Leetcode. So I hope this video helped you understand this problem clearly, and if you like the way it is explained with this example and whiteboarding session, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscriptions really help a lot to the channel. Share these videos with all your friends and colleagues, so they will also learn about this channel. They will also watch these videos and learn different computer science and programming techniques to solve different coding problems. There are also videos available on this channel related to Java interviews, such as theoretical questions that typically get asked in consulting positions, right? So do check out those videos. They will definitely help you a lot. Lots of algorithms and data structures related videos are also available for you, explained with examples for your easier and better understanding. So do check them out. Keep watching these videos, keep learning new things, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.